Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce templates in Angular 18 plus Shopus, fully responsive and just beautiful professional look. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. See the e-commerce template, Angular 18 plus. See the home page view. See guys, just brilliant. Fully professional look. See guys, I'm sure you like this. The top section, beautiful search, compare. See friends, the compare page, wishlist page, mini cart, and cart page as well, and user section. See the user dashboard, personal info, payment methods, order wish lists, address, reviews, change password, sport ticket, and logout. So we'll see the beautiful e-commerce template with multiple pages as well. Also the account, see guys, the track order page, another page like shop page, see guys, see the beautiful filters, see guys, price range filter, brands, and other things like handbags, pages, product single page, see guys, single product page, just beautiful. Creative product section, more info, and the demo page as well, about page, the beautiful blog page. See guys, use the dashboard, already shown you the contact page and become vendor. See guys, so have you seen the beautiful e-commerce template in Angular 18 plus, and also there are multiple home pages as well. Home page 2. See guys, this is second home page look, and the home 3. See friends, just brilliant. So guys, have you seen the beautiful e-commerce template in Angular 18 plus? Friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's my contact and advice page. On this page, you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. I also a full-time freelancer. And if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me anytime. We see also this section I need to show you. See guys, category drop down, just brilliant. So guys, after it, I will come with more demos as well. And guys, please subscribe my channel and support me. Friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.